friends, let's start with today's interesting recipe of garlic pickle. Now here I've taken about 40 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Now some ginger, or about an inch of ginger that I've peeled and chopped very fine. Half a tablespoon of meethi seeds of fenugreek. 3/4 tablespoon of mustard seeds. 3/4 tablespoon of fennel or saunf seeds. Half a tablespoon of cumin or jeera. 3/4 tablespoon of hing or asafotedia. 3/4 tablespoon of chili powder as well as Kashmiri chili powder, and 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. This is about half a cup of tamarind juice, some salt to taste, and 3/4 tablespoon of jaggery or gur. So now I've heated a pan and I'm going to dry roast all these spices. That is the meethi seeds, the cumin seeds, the saunf or fennel seeds, and the mustard seeds. So we are going to saute this roast it rather really well till you get the aroma of the spices. Then you're going to let it cool to room temperature and then grind it to a very fine powder in your mixer. Now you can make this in advance and store it, and whenever you feel like making this garlic pickle, you can just make the pickle. So this is the powder. It has to be of a very fine consistency. If you find that the spices are not ground, then grind them again till they are really, really fine. So now I've heated about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and I'm just adding a little bit of mustard seeds and then about say a quarter teaspoon or half a teaspoon. And once they start to splutter, then we're going to add our garlic. Now we need to fry this garlic really, really well till they start to become a little light golden brown in color. Now I know the oil is extra, but then this is like a preservative. The oil helps to keep the pickle for a longer period. And when you're taking the pickle, just take the garlic and the masala part. Don't take the oil. But you need to use a little more oil for pickles than that we normally use for cooking. So now fry the garlic really, really well. It should take you about say 3 or 4 minutes till your garlic gets nice and fried on a low to medium flame. Now we're going to add the ginger. And this ginger also adds a lovely flavor to this pickle. Fry both of this really, really well. Next, we're going to add our asafotedia or hing. Then goes in the haldi powder. Mix everything again. Next, we're going to add our red chili powder. Now, you can adjust the red chili powder. If you don't want it very spicy, then you can reduce the amount of chili powder. If you want it more spicy, you can double the amount of chili powder. Now, I'm going to add this Kashmiri chili powder, which is just for the color. So one is for the spice and one is for the color, because we want this lovely rich color to our pickle. So fry this well for about another 3 or 4 minutes on a medium flame. Now we're going to add this spice mix that we ground and kept. And the minute you add this spice mix, the entire your entire home will have this beautiful aroma of all these beautiful spices. Now we're going to add our tamarind juice. All I did was take a lime-sized ball of tamarind and put it in some warm water and keep it for about 15 minutes and then just squeeze out the pulp and just use the juice. The minute you add this tamarind, you will see that the pickle starts to become very thick. Now we're going to add the jaggery. Now same with the jaggery as the chili powder, you can adjust it according to your taste. Now some salt to taste. So what you have to adjust to taste is your salt, your jaggery, and your chili powder. So if you want it more on the sweeter side, then you will have to add a little more of your jaggery. If you want it more on the sour side, a little more of the tamarind juice. And if you want it more spicy, then the chili powder. Now we're going to let it cook for about 2 minutes, and we're going to lower the flame. We're going to turn off the flame and let this completely cool to room temperature. Once it has completely cooled, we're going to store this in a clean and dry glass bottle which has a nice airtight lid. And that's it, friends. Your lovely, amazing garlic pickle is all ready. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.